Today I'm at Asia Plaza and we're gonna do a little bit of a cooking challenge. If you ask my family, my friends, I'm quite infamous in the kitchen being a pretty bad cook. I usually tend to stay away from it. So today we're gonna head into the supermarket here and I'm gonna try to figure out some good ingredients to make a stir fry and we're gonna see how it goes. Come on and follow me in.
This is a completely new experience being in a grocery store centered around Asian culture. It's quite exciting having to think on my toes and adapting to pictures I see. I go over to the section where I think to see chicken, and I begin to see all sorts of fish and meat that isn't chicken. But after spotting all of the seafood and not finding any type of chicken, I see some pretty good looking pork. More than I need, but rice always comes into use. I love a little bit of spice. I know I want to get a little bit out of my comfort zone, so I pick up a few Chinese eggplants. But what really catches my eye is mogu mogu. Let's go for that. After I got everything I needed, it's time to go home and cook it all up.
Hey everyone, we're back from the grocery store and I got all of my ingredients here to make some stir fries. Got a big old bag of rice, got our pork. Gonna chop this up and use this, kind of rub it on, see how it goes. Got some peanuts here as well to toss in, and then got these chili peppers as well as this red pepper, and then a green and an orange pepper. Got some Asian eggplants here. Kind of just saw this and decided to toss it in. Got some celery here as well. Here's our sauce. We're gonna go with the Kung Pao stir fry sauce. Go ahead and finish it off with some water chestnuts. My mom's gonna be so proud of me. So we're gonna go ahead and get going on the pork. Get a little messy here and just go ahead and go for a rub on these. That's one thing I am good at, making a mess. You know, I'm managing a few things at once here, which is a little bit of my fear. You know, got the pork going. It's actually looking surprisingly good. Gonna toss in some of these veggies now. So I'm gonna start to add this Kung Pao stir fry sauce. Oh yeah, that smells good. Didn't really have any expectations. Got a little bit lost in the grocery store, but I think I picked out some good ingredients here. I'm excited to try out the eggplant. That should be good for the rice there. Give this a good old mixing and then should be eating any minute now. Gonna go ahead and send this into a bowl. Hopefully get some of those water chestnuts and peanuts as well. Good balanced taste of meat and some of the veggies in here. The sauce is really good. Glad I went with that. I had a bite of one of those chili peppers. I'm still reeling back from that a little bit. Water chestnuts, you can't go wrong. And then everything else just really worked out. I'm actually very proud of myself.